Marshall, and today I'm going to be talking about this wig that I'm wearing. This is Brazilian Waves by Outre, and I'm in the color DR2/Golden Honey Blonde. Here is the stock card, and it's a 22-inch synthetic wig. So here it is, and it has a drawstring at the back, and it has about like 4 combs. It has 1 at the back and about 3 in the front right here. And yeah, so this is how it looks. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360 in just a little bit, but here it is. And it is actually heat safe up to 400 degrees. I didn't use any heat for this style today. I just kind of wore it out the box for you guys. So for those of you that are new to Converti cap wigs, or you haven't heard about Outre's Converti cap line, they are basically half wigs, so they don't come with a part or anything, and they're just meant to be blended in with your real hair, or you can wear them as a headband wig and wear a headband on top of the wig to just make that hairline blend. But basically, I just like to blend it in with my real hair, and that's how I mainly wear Converti cap wigs. And I just love the fact that these wigs lay really flat. Like, this is one of those wigs that lay really flat and it blends really well. This wig did have a little bit of shine to it. One of my other reviews I did about Runway Star, which was another Converti cap, also had a little bit of shine, but once I brushed out the hair a little bit, it seemed to take the shine away. You can also use dry shampoo. So there it was, you guys. I hope you guys got to get a gist of what the wig looks like and everything like that. This wig hasn't really been tangly or anything like that, and I really noticed that about this wig, that it hasn't been tangling. Sometimes, even if it is just out of the box, it will just start tangling right away and snagging and all these things. It has a couple of snags, but it's not tangling, you know, and it's like, feels pretty smooth, and I like the texture of the wig as well. So yeah, that's all I really have to say about this wig, you guys. Again, this was Brazilian Waves by Outre, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you next time on Mystique and Glamorous.